post, I want a volunteer with a watch. I want someone to time me. Have you got a watch?
Yeah, I'm on phone.
Oh, I'm very sophisticated.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. This is you guys, working in the water.
We're just going to fire 5 rounds, rapid. On my mark. Fire.
Oh, this is a lot smaller, yeah? No?
We're just going to go through the movements of
Well, there's more precise.
and this is the movements that are necessary with high and low guards to take out opposing infantry, or with high guards to take out opposing cavalry. And the bayonets are quite long, and you've got to recall that there is still cavalry on the field in 1914. And you've got to have a bayonet that's long enough to reach up and take out a man on horseback. Your own time, please.
Two-gun ready!
Okay. At this point now, if you're going to take a picture, when I scream fire, yeah, the number 1 will tell you, take your picture. Okay? Number 2, go. Fire!
Try to turn my head like that.
Number 2 and number 3 gone. Tanks in the open, moving left to right. At my command, load and fire. Load! You ready, Ian? Ian?
One gun ready! Two-gun ready.
3 gun ready. Listen up. Stand by! Fire!
You're all right. You'll do that.